Do you often find yourself struggling with the discomfort of stiff or painful joints, impacting your daily activities and overall quality of life? Today, I'm excited to share with you 4 highly effective and natural remedies that you can easily incorporate into your home routine to significantly reduce joint pain, enhance your mobility, and ultimately experience a profound sense of natural relief and well-being. Joint discomfort is a widespread issue that can profoundly affect one's daily life, making simple tasks challenging and diminishing overall well-being. Gaining a clear understanding of how to naturally alleviate this pain is absolutely crucial for improving your physical comfort and enhancing your overall quality of life. These techniques have been thoughtfully designed to be both highly accessible and incredibly easy to integrate into your existing daily routine, offering a comprehensive and holistic approach to nurturing and maintaining optimal joint health. By adopting these simple practices, you can proactively support your body's natural healing processes. Begin your joint care routine by initiating gentle, deliberate movements to effectively warm up your joints. Start by slowly rotating your wrists in both directions, then gently bend and straighten your elbows, followed by a gradual lifting and rotating of your shoulders. Conclude this warm-up phase by carefully rotating your knees, ensuring each movement is smooth and controlled. This initial warm-up phase is crucial as it significantly increases blood flow to the joint areas, preparing them thoroughly for the subsequent stretching exercises. Enhanced blood circulation makes your joints more pliable, reducing stiffness and substantially less prone to potential injury during your activities. Remember to move gently and listen to your body. Consistently incorporating these gentle warm-up exercises into your daily regimen can dramatically improve your joints' readiness for more active and demanding movements. This proactive approach helps to lubricate the joints and enhance their overall function, setting a strong foundation for sustained joint health and flexibility. Following your warm-up, proceed to gently stretch your joints. For your knees, extend one leg forward and slowly reach towards your toes, feeling a gentle stretch along the back of your leg. For your hands, carefully stretch your fingers apart as wide as comfortable, then slowly close them into a soft fist. These movements help to increase flexibility and reduce tension. For your shoulders, perform slow, deliberate rolls both forward and backward, focusing on a full range of motion. Hold each stretch for approximately 10 to 15 seconds, ensuring you breathe deeply throughout, and repeat each stretch 2 to 3 times. This consistent practice is highly effective in relieving stiffness and maintaining optimal flexibility in your joints. Consistent and mindful stretching is absolutely vital for promoting long-term joint health. It plays a crucial role in preventing the uncomfortable buildup of tension and significantly improving your overall range of motion, allowing for greater freedom and ease in your daily movements. Make stretching a regular part of your self-care routine. It's important to remember that gentle and consistent stretching, performed regularly, is far more effective and beneficial for your joints than intense, infrequent stretching sessions. The key lies in regularity and a mindful approach to movement, ensuring your joints receive continuous, supportive care. Next, focus on strengthening the muscles surrounding your joints, as this is a powerful way to help reduce pain and provide crucial support. You can effectively achieve this by using a resistance band for targeted exercises, or even by utilizing light household objects as gentle weights for controlled movements. Perform wrist curls slowly and with control, using a light object like a small water bottle. Then, execute controlled leg lifts, focusing on engaging your thigh muscles. Follow this with slow, deliberate shoulder presses, ensuring smooth movements. This consistent practice builds essential support around your joints and actively prevents future discomfort, promoting long-term joint stability. Remember to stay consistent with your exercises. Stronger muscles surrounding your joints act as natural shock absorbers, providing essential protection against the everyday stresses and strains that your joints endure. This muscular support helps to stabilize the joints, reducing impact and preventing wear and tear, ultimately contributing to greater comfort and longevity. Even incorporating light resistance training into your routine can make a truly significant difference in enhancing your joint stability and improving your overall pain management. These exercises don't need to be strenuous to be effective. Consistency and proper form are key to reaping the benefits. Finally, explore the benefits of natural remedies you can easily prepare and apply at home. A simple yet effective method is to apply a warm towel or a heating pad to the affected joint for a duration of 2 to 3 minutes. The gentle heat helps to relax muscles and increase blood flow, providing immediate comfort and soothing relief. For an optional, yet highly beneficial addition, consider applying a turmeric paste or gently massaging the area with warm olive oil, both known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Conclude this soothing ritual with a few minutes of deep, conscious breathing to further relax your entire body and promote a sense of calm throughout your joints. Remember to relax and recover. These natural remedies offer immediate comfort and play a crucial role in reducing inflammation within the joints. By incorporating them into your routine, you actively promote a profound sense of calm and facilitate the body's natural healing processes, contributing to overall well-being and pain relief. The synergistic combination of soothing warmth, the beneficial properties of natural ingredients, and the calming practice of mindful breathing creates a powerful and deeply soothing effect for your joints. This holistic approach addresses both physical discomfort and mental relaxation, enhancing your body's ability to heal and recover. To maintain flexible and pain-free joints, make it a daily habit to practice these 4 essential steps. Your joints will thank you for the consistent care and attention. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more natural healing routines and wellness tips. Consistency is truly the cornerstone for achieving lasting relief from joint discomfort and maintaining optimal joint health throughout your life. By making these practices a regular and integral part of your self-care routine, you empower your body to move naturally and stay active, fostering long-term well-being and vitality. Thank you for joining us today and investing in your joint health. We sincerely hope that these natural techniques empower you to embrace a more comfortable, active, and fulfilling life, free from the limitations of joint pain. Remember, your well-being is our priority.